Let me show you how to solve this physics question on the board. We are told that an electric generator with a power output of 3.0 kilowatts at a voltage of 1.5 kilovolts distributes power along cables of resistance 20 ohms. Calculate the power loss in the cables. To solve this question correctly, first of all, let us bring out the parameters given to us. So this is the solution. From the question, we are given power output as 3.0 kilowatts. So the power output is equal to 3 kilowatts. 3 is the same thing as 3.0. Now we have to convert this number here to watts. And how do we do that? Anytime you want to convert from kilowatts to watts, just multiply the value by 1000. So we're going to multiply this number by 1000. If we do that, 3 times 1000 will give us 3000. So we're going to have 3000 watts. You understand? Now the next one is the voltage. The voltage is 1.5 kilovolts. So voltage V is equal to 1.5 kilovolts. We are going to do the same here. We are going to convert this value from kilovolts to volts by multiplying by 1000. We are going to multiply 1.5 by 1000. If we do that, 1.5 times 1000 will give us 1500. 1500 then volts. You can confirm these answers with your calculator. Now, we are given resistance R as 20 ohms. We are asked to calculate the power loss in the cables. Before you can calculate the power loss in the cables, first of all, you need to calculate the current that is flowing through the cables. The formula you need to calculate the current that is flowing through the cables is current I is equal to P over V. This P here is this power, and the V here is the voltage. You understand? So if we substitute the values in place of this P, we are going to put 3000, then divided by, in place of this V, we are going to put 1500. And if we divide these two numbers, 3000 divided by 1500, that will give us 2. So the current is 2 amperes. SI unit for current is amperes, which is this one. Now, we need to calculate the power loss in the cables. If you want to calculate power loss in the cables, if this is the power loss, you make it of this formula, I squared times R. This is the formula you need to calculate the power loss due to the resistance. That's why we are involving the resistance now. Now this will give us, I here is the current, which is 2 amperes. We have 2. But in the formula, there is a square. So we have to square this 2 times the resistance, which is 20 ohms. Listen, 20. First thing we have to do is to evaluate this power first. That will give us 2 squared means 2 times 2, which is 4. 10 times 20. If we multiply this to 4 times 20 will give us 80. Because we are calculating for power, the SI unit for power is watts. So the power loss is 80 watts. That's the answer to this question.